Hey everybody, today we're going to be doing some basic maintenance on a still TS410. I'm going to walk you through how to do the air filter, the spark plug, and the spark arrestor, and then also how to change the blade on it. So the first thing that you're going to do, if you already don't know how to do this stuff, is going to look up how to do look up the service manual, and this will teach you basically any of the basic maintenance that you need to do. So to do that, you can just go on Google and you can just type in the part number of the equipment that you have and service manual. And then in this case, it's the first link. And this brings up the service manual. This has a bunch of useful information. Let's see. If you go to the content page, it tells you everything from all the different kinds of wheels you can use, how to mix the fuel, replacing the B-belt, and other basic maintenance. So today, the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to change the air filter, and for that you're going to need this tool. This comes with all the steel parts. It basically has a star bit on the tip, if that'll focus, and then you can use the bottom end to remove the spark plug. So the first thing I would recommend doing is putting your saw on its side, because it's kind of hard to get to the two bottom bolts that you're going to take off. So you're going to take off these 4 bolts. There's one here, one down here, and then one more. And then you just basically use your tool for that. I already loosened these because I'm basically just working with one hand right now. It's normally not this easy to get these off. There's one. 2. 3. So then you just pop this off, and in this case, I don't have a compressor, but what you would do is you would blow this out and you would clean out all this dust, and then this is your air filter right here. This one's pretty clean, so we're just gonna put it right back in. And then there's also the secondary filter down here. And then what you would do is you would just clean all this out. And you want to make sure you're not getting blowing dust anywhere into any of these holes. Okay, and then you would just put this back. There's a tab on the back of this that makes it pretty easy to know how to put it back. That goes facing upwards, right up here. And you just want to make sure that everything fits in snug. It'll slide over this plate right around the edges. And then this one's pretty easy to put back in its right place because you've got this loop that just slides over this. And same thing, you just want to make sure it's sitting nice and flush. Okay. Just like that. And sure you have all your bolts. And then just place the cover back on. And then you're going to do the same thing we did. You're just going to replace all of these. Just want to make sure they're all nice and tight. These are a little finicky sometimes because they're so deep. Just want to make sure you get them right. Okay, and that's basically how you do your air filter on one of these guys.